Prošli vikend bio je onako malo radni vikend, tako da nismo išli nigdje. Ali evo, uhvatio sam ovu subotu malo ovako popodne zaletit se, popit pivicu kod ekipe MK Prigorje. Na večer opet neki dogovor, tako da eto, opet neću ostati čoriti. Ok, tu je. Idemo ih posjetiti, malo posnimiti i to je to. A evo da vas opet malo podsjetim, ukoliko imate nekoga ko se ženi, udaje, ili se vi možda odlučili da se ženite ili udajete, a nedostaje vam nekakav kvalitetan kadar za snimanje / fotografiranje te vaše svadbe, možete nam se slobodno javiti. Naravno i dalje vrijedi ono da je za bajkere poseban popust. Tako da eto, ako imate potrebu za profesionalnim snimanjem, fotografiranjem, javite nam se, ja ću mail ostaviti dole u opisu videa, pa ćemo se nešto dogovoriti valjda. Eto. Opa! Okej, nema nikog na ulogu. Rakija i to, ništa. 0 bodova, a? A ne, nije to žulas. Evo ulaz. Ej, ili ima hladne pive?
Pozdrav, prvo rakica, onda hladna piva.
A to tak ide, a dobro, ajde. Kaj se mora, nije teško.
Prošle godine i znaš po susretima snimati, ili?
Je.
Skužao sam te.
Ja sam taj.
Ono bilo kaj si.
Jel je?
Da.
Ajde, hvala.
Više onak pogled bajkera.
Pa to. Šta nam to daješ? To loza ili štilju? Ne, loza. Loza. Ništa, dečki. Držite se. Držite se tu, hladovine vruće. Kaj skroz tu na sunce? A, u pizdu. A ne, to ne.
A mislim da je suho, ali ako ćeš...
Ma nije, ne bu kiša padala. Ne bu mu ništa. A i oko padne.
Malo, ali jebi ga, gledaj, skramp nam je u hladu, onda znaš.
Da, nije bez.
A tu kad jedan stane gotovo.
Da, onda svi
Svi
stanu.
stanu onda u koricu. I svi su došli sam na jednu pivu.
Koji ja? Koji ja? Koji ja?
6 sati tu.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. I'm feeling good.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Pozdrav!
O, čekaj malo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting